Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to add the custom voicemail access portal or page. So this one that I've been post on my blog. So today we're gonna do the custom voicemail access so that you can able to browse and easily access your voicemail. Okay, so what we're going to do is you need to log into your Dial backend. So you need to do the SSH access first. Okay, so for example, this will be our SSH now. Okay. So this one, okay. So first, reset here. You need to. So this one is for Scratch installation. So you can, for example, you want to use this one, but you are using a BCVAC setup. So you need to do ano SRB www.htdocs and then just paste the PHP file. Okay, and verify. So you can put on the BC dial page if you want. So we can put over there. So PHP, HTDoc, then BC dial. Okay. So my editor is Nano, and then you can copy from here to the bottom. Okay. Oh, not copy. Go back. Okay, paste. Okay, to a space, then submit. After. Okay, then given permission. Change mode. Okay. Okay, you can restart. This is the permission thing. Okay, you can copy and paste directly. But that's okay. And then or the service Apache 2 restart. Okay. And then after that you can try to access now. And also be sure you are using a dynamic portal because this one is if you it was restricted, it cannot able to open anywhere. You need to revalidate or add your IP to the IP list. So on the Dial IP list so that you can able to access the portal. Okay. So for me, so as you can see, yeah, this one too. You can add your IP over here. Okay. So you can add your IP on the BG whitelist or in a dynamic you are already validated. So once validated, you can able to access the page. Okay. So after that, you adding the uh PHP file, you can try to access now the portal. So go to the your BC dial page and paste. So you will see this one. So as you can see here, so IP address he said is not IP is not allowed. So you can go to UI or but definitely my IP is already allowed. Okay. And you can try to log in. What will happen? Gonna okay, so we said insufficient level. So it to access admin access here. Okay. 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 Select the inbox. Okay. So it means there's no voicemail found available. Okay. Zero. Yeah. There's no voicemail found. Okay. So it means there's no voicemail available on the system. And then we can add this one to the custom report. We're gonna add on the custom report. Here, reports, utilities, custom report. Okay. Okay. All group, submit. Okay. Is the link. Submit is working. So if you go here and here, so you have simply access for voicemail. So right now I don't have any voicemail. So we can put, let me try. I'm gonna configure the voicemail. Okay. So that you see how it the voicemail. So for example, now go to ID, use this. I'm gonna wrap one to voice, okay, voicemail 9800. Okay. No, go voice. Gonna call, gonna call this. Or hello, hello, testing. This is a test call. Hello, this is a test call. Okay, let's see if we have a voicemail. So if I take the phones, and it's receive. Need to double check. Okay. Already generated. As you see here, we have one voicemail. So let's check now. Okay. So we need to vary. PD slash bar is full. So we have one over here. Yeah. We have one over here. One voicemail was created today. Let's see why it's not playing or reloading over here. I see because my fat. Okay. So I need to go back on the file. Default. So everything is if I want. Okay, so you can see it's now I think this can delete over here. Now so it's working. So just need to do the permission thing. Okay. I hope you are get the installation and enjoy. So if you have some custom report request, just PM on the channel so that we can try to generate that and I will post on create a video. Okay, thank you guys and have a nice day. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe on our channel so that you're always updated on our latest video. Thank you and bye bye.